Pipa, are you a spoiled brat? Sindo pa ni Ate LL. Just once can we figure out what we're doing wrong?
Weekends, no? Wala din yun.
Mag-highway ka ba? Meg?
Pipa is a spoiled brat.
Highway ka
She
na.
is spoiled. Hatid sundo ito.
Hindi ko alam saan ang
Pero pag ako lang, hindi nila ako inahatid, hindi rin sinusundo.
Tapos
Si Pipa lang inahatid, sinusundo dito.
palabas na McLeod.
Grabe.
wala siyang Walmart.
Kaya magmaldita-maldita sometimes.
Right ako dito na.
Oo, right.
Sige, Day, are you guys coming tomorrow night? We will go back to the light. I hope andun si Lourdes.
Si Lourdes yan yung